What did you say?
We
Bonjour.
got a little date.
Yeah, bonjour. Siya said. Happy na naman siya at meron siyang nakuhang dates na medyo hinog na ito. Let's not. Ito. Wait lang. Pili tayo ng ito ata.
No, Mom, this one is not ripened yet.
Not yet. Maybe it will take 2 days and then it will be ripened.
No, this green one.
Yeah.
Look.
Let me have a look on this.
Uh,
The other one. I think this one. I can get this. Ayan. Nakakuha tayo. Let's go.
and we can wash these dates, Mama.
Yeah.
In the hangout, Mama.
You can.